Welcome back to Trust Facts. In this video, you will discover 10 facts about your dog that contribute to their well-being. Sociability. Dogs are highly social animals and find happiness in interacting with humans and other dogs. Quality time spent with your dog, such as cuddling, playing, or going for walks, makes them happy. Organizing playdates with other dogs can also enrich their social life. Physical activity. Physical exercise is essential for a dog's health and happiness. A daily walk or two, depending on the breed's needs, allows them to explore their surroundings, sniff new scents, and release pent-up energy. Outdoor play, like fetch or frisbee, is another form of exercise that can make them happy. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to boredom and discomfort. Toys. Dogs love to play, and toys are an essential part of keeping them mentally active and happy. You can choose from a wide range of toys, including balls, interactive treat dispensing toys, chew toys, or puzzle toys. Toys can prevent boredom, stimulate their minds, and encourage physical activity. Food and treats. Dogs often have a strong connection to food, and a balanced, high-quality diet is crucial for their health and happiness. However, occasional treats or rewards can be a special way to show affection and reinforce positive behavior. Be sure to consult your veterinarian for a diet tailored to your dog's needs. Affection. Affectionate bond with the owner is crucial for a dog's happiness. Dogs are social animals and seek companionship and approval from their human. Spending quality time together, positive communication, and building a strong bond can bring joy to both the dog and the owner. Friendship with other animals. Some dogs are happier when they have an animal companion, such as another dog or a cat. These four-legged friends can keep each other company, play together, and share experiences, bringing a lot of joy to your dog's life. However, it's essential to ensure that introducing a new pet is handled properly to avoid conflicts. Here are 10 facts that will help you take care of your four-legged companion. If you know any more, write them in the comments. Do you know the 10 least common pets in the world? Find out on Trust Facts.